If you share your computer with other people, you should always lock your browser. It'll prevent other users from accessing your personal information like browsing history, bookmarks, saved passwords, and other data. So in today's video, let's see how to lock the Chrome browser with a password. Guys, there's no inbuilt settings to lock the Chrome browser on PC. To password protect Chrome browser, you have to use a free extension from the Chrome Web Store. So visit the Chrome Web Store and search for Browser Lock. Click the Add to Chrome button to install it on your browser. First, you need to create your account. In here, you can keep the default options or change them according to your preference. On the Change Password, you have to set a password. Type again. To confirm the password, add a password. To lock Chrome, simply close the browser. The next time someone tries to open it, a password screen will appear. To unlock it, just enter your password. If you forget your password, use the recovery option, but only if you've added an email during setup.